Every time you open YouTube, you will see some adverts that just take up a few seconds of the video. I'm sure you've avoided them since I've done it myself. While you may believe that advertising is bothersome because they lengthen the movie, let me inform you that you may make a significant amount of money by employing these adverts that upset you. Yes, you heard me correctly. With this fresh new money-making strategy that I'm about to reveal in this video, you may earn large sums of money simply by viewing advertisements on the internet. This approach is now widely available on all 7 continents of the world, so you may make money no matter where you are. Additionally, you can utilize any gadget in your home since it is even accessible on your mobile phone, which is pretty fantastic if you ask me. And on top of that, I'm sure you are going to love the fact that this entire thing is completely free. Are you interested now? I can't wait for you to try it out, so just stick with me until the end of the video and don't skip ahead because you might miss out on some details that are critical for you to complete all of this. All you have to do now is watch this video till the very last second because I will walk you through this process step by step and in great detail. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Now let us go to the first website, which is called oojoo.com, OJOOO.com, and as soon as you visit the website, you can get an overview of what Oojoo is all about, which is to earn money by seeing commercials. Now if you scroll down a little farther on this page, you can see the advantages of utilizing Oojoo. First, you may earn money by watching commercials, which is what this website is all about. Second, if you are a business owner or entrepreneur, you can market your own website to a large number of people, but since you are here to make money, let us not focus on that. Finally, you may increase your earnings by joining the referral program by referring new consumers and clients to the website. With over 40 million users worldwide, there is no reason to wait. So without further ado, let us sign up for a free account. I want you to return to the main homepage and simply click on the sign up button, and then we will proceed from there. After clicking the sign up button, you will be taken to this page where you can begin your registration by entering some basic information about yourself, such as your username, password, and email address. After you've completed those forms, simply check the box to confirm that you are a real person. Now hang on because you are almost done since you'll be clicking yes for the statement right here to express approval of the website's terms and conditions as well as the data protection. All you have to do now is click the registration button right here and in a flash, you will have your account for free. Log into your brand new account and you will see a screen that looks precisely like this. And when you move your mouse to the top of the page, click right here where it says paid to click advertisements. After doing so, you will be led to this website where you will have access to a broad variety of commercial films to pick from. Simply choose one of these commercials and a video ad will appear on your screen. All you have to do now is play the ad from the first second to the last and you may start earning money right now. Returning to your dashboard, you can track your progress right here as the website will show you how many advertisements you've clicked on for the day. You have complete freedom to click on as much advertising as you like, including all of the adverts displayed on your screen. You may make a considerable amount of money this way, but you may think the revenue from watching these commercials is insufficient, which brings us to the second strategy, which I'll teach you right here on the same page. With this second strategy, you will be able to earn more money at a much faster pace and with greater efficiency. To do so, go to the offer area and choose an Oojoo grid. Once you've done so, you will be led to this page where you may click on any random grid. Each random grid correlates to an ad video, so as soon as you click on one, a random video will appear on your screen. Obviously, you should watch it all the way through. With its considerably simpler yet more intriguing style, you will undoubtedly have a lot of fun as you follow this money-making strategy by simply viewing videos online. It is fairly simple, right? But don't get too comfortable because I need you to develop a strong video viewing ethic. Set aside a few minutes every day and try to watch as many videos as you can so that you can fully use this opportunity and as a result, raise your income by a large margin. Anyway, now that you know how to make money with this website, allow me to walk you through the cash out process. First, you will set up your payment information by going to the settings menu and filling in your account information so that they know how to contact you and pay you with the real money you earn from the website. By the way, this is going to be the first thing you should do before doing anything else I've mentioned before. So now that you've successfully set up your account, you're ready to get started with the important stuff and start your journey in this brand new money-making method that is both free and effective. So if you think I'm done, think again, because there is so much more that we can do to earn money with Uju.com. I want you to go back to your dashboard and click on offers, and from these offers, you will be clicking on one ad, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can see this large variety of surveys that you can take to increase your income potential. It won't take you more than a minute to complete a survey, so it won't hurt to take a few minutes. What I like best about this website is that it offers a complete package. You don't have to go to other websites to earn money, because with Uju.com, you can earn money both by watching ads and by completing a variety of surveys. You may travel through the homepage and scroll down to find a plethora of different surveys that you can do for free and receive money as a reward. Honestly, you can't let this chance pass you by, since it is really incredible to have this opportunity and follow through with it. Okay, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. I want you to return to your dashboard and click on the offers area once more, but this time click on the offer Toro section to see the next technique for you to earn money. So far, everything has been wonderful, but things are going to become much better here on Offer Tarot, where you can make more and more money simply by playing online games. Everyone likes to play games, right? Well, I do, and I'm quite sure you do as well. For each game given on the internet, you can actually see the corresponding points that you may gain, which will then be turned into real money later on. So with this approach, you will not only have pleasure with these fantastically pleasant and intriguing games, but you will also get to fill your pockets with even more money. In fact, of the three methods that I've described, playing games will pay you the most money, so make sure to devote more time to them. However, to completely broaden the boundaries of this chance, I would want you to use all three ways at the same time. If you wish to pursue additional methods, you have the flexibility to explore and find more alternatives in the offer area, as they are constantly adding new methods. However, if you ask me, viewing advertisements, doing surveys, and playing games are more than enough to earn a lot of money. When you've completed all you need, you will have a large sum of money, so all that's left for you to do is rejoice and cash out the money into your preferred payment method. You do understand that everything is so convenient, easy, and accessible, right? What more can I say about how innovative this strategy is in the money-making scene? Normally, you would visit many websites to watch commercials, complete surveys, and play games, but with Uju.com, everything is presented to you on a silver platter. You just have to put in some effort, and they're not tough in the least, so you won't break a sweat as you pursue this strategy. Just remember to follow the procedures in the video to the letter, because if you don't, I hate to break it to you, but you won't make any money. If you find that some aspects of the procedure are overwhelming or unclear, you can always go back and watch the video from the beginning to gain a better understanding of all the processes. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.